Welcome to my channel. We about to get lit. Don't forget to double tap, like my pic. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, popping out glitter. Come to my channel. Got the mug books. Got the get ready. Chit chat story time. Like my pic. Comment, subscribe, share, follow. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Hey you guys, welcome to the Candy House. I have with me some gel products that I use. Honestly, my edges are very, very short and thin. So I suggest that what you see I'm doing, I'm just pushing the hair towards the front. And I will admit, using those gel products, I want to say really the free sprays, it seemed like it made my hair like slick down real good. So anyone that's dealing with like short hair or you don't really have a lot of edges, you can have leave out. Just push the hair towards the front and then slick it. That's a closure piece that I'm gelling down. The hair weave sewing came with the closure. The closure is nice. Right now, I'm about to just show you what I do to maintain the curl pattern that the hair has. I'm just finger combing it. I am going to be spraying it with water and conditioner. I just put it in a bottle and mix it up, but that's what I do. I suggest to keep the hair moisturized. The more moisturized the hair, the better. And I will admit, you are going to have some shedding. I do brush the hair because I will admit, I want to get as much of the shedding out and as much as the naps out of the hair. So yes, moisturizing the hair with any type of conditioner you want and brushing it is okay. That's how you're going to keep those curls to look nice. You guys will see. So don't be afraid to wet it up. Okay, anyways, I'm going to be using my hair mousse. Once I get the hair mousse, I do rub it all through the hair. I feel like putting mousse on hair, synthetic hair, it makes it really, really nice. So, like I said, if you want to keep those curls, this is what I do. This is what I got. This is the methods that I use. And as you can see, the hair does look nice and it is going to hold up real well. I'm going to give you guys a nice little slow motion. So you see it ain't stiff, all that, but it's not perfect, but I'm just letting you know this is what you can do to preserve those curls. This is how much hair I did shed, I guess, from finger coiling, brushing it out, putting the product. I will admit, I think the only reason why it sheds is because, oh, I'm gonna do my leave out, but I think the only reason why it sheds is because since it is human hair and synthetic blend, you should put moisturizer to it, I guess, to keep it from doing that. But honestly, this is what I got. I'm gonna finish up and come back with more. I just go back in with my freeze spray and run it on the hair so I can have less frizz. And as you can see, look how nice the curls are. They're not perfect, but like I said, if you want to keep those curls, this is what you can do. Honestly, I am impressed with this hair. I'm excited. I can't wait to drop more videos to show you what this hair could do. So please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And at the end of the day, I hope this video does help someone. Go get the hair from Sally's if you're on a budget because it is worth it, you guys. One day you stand in the middle of the road and you don't know where you're going. All of a sudden your whole life changes. Life finally gives you something bad.